To check the travel ban status in the United Arab Emirates, one must first visit the official website of the Federal Authority for Identity and Citizenship. Once on the website, navigate to the Services section and select the option for Travel Ban Inquiry. This will prompt a new page where individuals can input their personal information, including their passport number and nationality. After entering the required information, the system will generate a report detailing any travel bans that may be in place. It is important to note that travel bans in the UAE can be issued for a variety of reasons, including legal disputes, financial obligations, or criminal offenses. If a travel ban is detected, individuals must take the necessary steps to resolve the issue before attempting to leave the country. In some cases, individuals may need to contact the relevant authorities or legal representatives to lift the travel ban. It is crucial to address any travel bans promptly to avoid complications when trying to travel in or out of the UAE. By following these steps and staying informed about their travel ban status, individuals can ensure a smooth and hassle-free travel experience in the UAE.